During the ecology class, we've learned many different topics, many different and interesting topics. The one I would like to talk about today and would like to explain to help you guys understand better is the different type of mimicry. First, to explain, what is mimicry? Mimicry represents a beautiful part of evolution, which is surviving, and how the different challenges of surviving affect different animals and what they do to adapt to survive better and increase their chances to successfully reproduce. There's two different type of mimicries that I would like to touch today, which are my favorite ones, which is the Mullerian mimicry and the Vatician mimicry. First, let's start with the Mullerian mimicry. This is basically when two poisonous animals looks very similar to the other one. For example, the viceroy butterfly and the monarch butterfly, which are two beautiful butterflies that are orange and both are toxic. The Vatician mimicry is when a harmless animal tries their best to look like a poisonous one. For example, I'm gonna use king coral snake trying to look their best to the coral snake, which is one of the most poisonous snakes in the planet. Actually, I'm gonna proceed to leave a picture here of one that I found that it looked very similar to a coral snake. Perfect. Now I'm going to explain the context or the reason of why this happens. Basically, for the Mullerian mimicry, animals try to look the best to the other ones to avoid being attacked by animals. For example, animals are very visual creatures and they learn a lot by behavior as well. If a predator gets in trouble, to say it that way, with a wasp and he gets stung, boom, they learn. Yellow and black now are dangerous. I need to avoid that color. Other type of bees and wasps that are also black and yellow but are not necessarily the same one that stung the animal are also going to be beneficiated by that because they associate the color, not the species itself. And for the Vatician, basically we have the benefits of having a stronger or more dangerous animal that looks like you protect you in a status basically. So for the coral snake, if a predator tries to attack a coral snake and it gets beat by the snake, they can get sick, they can die, and other animals surrounding or that interact with that animal and see them die after getting attacked by a coral snake, they learn that the coral snake is dangerous. And now to add one interesting last one, surprise one, it will be the Martinician mimicry, which is when a highly venomous and dangerous animal try their best to look as defenseless and as weak as possible. And the interesting thing is that the predator cannot learn from that because it attacks the Martinician mimicry species and it can die, so it doesn't have the time to learn. But in general, that's my video talking about the different type of mimicries. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Have a good day.